Alright, first thing first is a demonstration. Before anything, Animation Warping plugin need to be enabled. After that, we need to change the character movement rotation settings. Then, we will need a couple of functions in third-person Blueprint. The first one is to check if the character is moving forward or backward. Check video description for easy copy. Next is a function to check if the character is moving left or right. Using both function, we can get the character movement angle like this. In Animation Blueprint, get the character reference. Add and connect couple of stuff in Animation Update event. The first one is to stop the character from rotating when not moving. Next one is getting the value for orientation angle. I will show the function later. Checking if the character is moving forward. And the last one is a function to reduce the character max walk speed when moving backward. For GetOrientationAngle Function, using the previous function in third-person Blueprint, plus or minus 180 degrees so the character keep facing relatively forward. And reduce speed when moving backward function, so the backward animation look nicer. As for the animation itself, using what's already been provided by Unreal Engine, we need two blend space, one for move forward and one for move backward. Just duplicate the walk-run blend space and change the animations. These animations are Unreal Engine's walk and run animation that have been inverted. Just don't forget to add a sync marker so the animation can sync together. Set the sync group for both blend space. And lastly, for the orientation warping itself, set the spine bones and the IK bones. A minor edit are needed to be done in basic IK control rig, so the new animation work correctly. And that's about it. Okay, thanks.